So let's see how you can make your site look like a demo. For this video, I used this free theme for a designer. When you open a demo, you see the homepage made by the developer. But what happens when you install the theme on your WordPress website? To upload a custom theme to WordPress, you need to have it on your computer in an archive. Upload the archive, install the theme, and activate the theme. Then you go on to installing the plugins, and when you're done with all these, you can see that your homepage contains literally nothing. To change this, at first make sure the theme is activated, and then look for a tiny little option here which says Demo Content. Press Import, and in the files that you extracted from the archive, find a sample data file. It must be an XML document, and if that's right, just press Import. After this step, you want to go and check out the customization section. To set the default homepage you see on a demo, make sure your homepage is static and select Display as the home page. After you're done, here you can see it. It looks exactly like your theme's demo. Thank you for watching. If you liked the video, press the like button and subscribe to our channel.